who do we have here today?
Linda.
And what are we doing?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers today?
Yes.
You trust me to throw you out?
As long as you're hanging on
We
the back.
yeah, we just met. You're crazy.
I know.
You trust your guy? You haven't even met him yet. You haven't even met Travis. You a little scared, a little nervous? Yeah? Yeah? That's okay. If you weren't nervous, I'd be scared. All right? Last words, final comments, confessions before we go do this, ladies?
Take care of my cats.
Yeah. It's always the same for me. Take the computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have everything else. Let's go rock a skydive, have some fun. High five. High five. Here we go. Woo! Ladies, are you ready for this? You're both nuts. That's good. You're going to have to be a little bit crazy to survive this.
My kids are surrounded us.
We're going to go up and out of here. Let's put out some fun. High five. High five. High five.